Hi friends, welcome to Fresh Bites. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Shakarpara, which is popularly called as maida biscuits. I have replaced maida with wheat flour, but still there is no compromise on the taste. It is a very easy snack. I made them in two ways, by deep frying and using oven. So with no further delay, let's see the preparation. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to know about the latest update. I have taken 2 cups of wheat flour, half a cup of sugar, half cup of water, half cup of ghee and pinch of salt to enhance the sweetness. Take a saucepan and add the sugar and water. Bring this to a boil. Once the sugar is dissolved, we can switch off the flame and allow this to cool. In the mixing bowl, I have already added 2 cups of wheat flour. To this I am going to add a teaspoon of salt and mix them. Pour the sugar syrup to this once it has come to room temperature. Finally, we are going to add the ghee. Please note the ghee has to be hot. Using a spatula, I am going to mix everything well. You can even add cardamom powder to this if you prefer. Let's begin making this into a dough. The dough seems to be a little sticky, so I'm going to add 1/4 cup of wheat flour to this. We need a very stiff dough to make Shakarpara. So in total, we need 2 cups of wheat flour plus 1/4 cup, which we add while kneading the dough. I kneaded the dough for a good 6 to 8 minutes and we have got a firm yet a smooth dough. Cover this and allow it to rest for at least 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. I'm going to knead the dough one more time and then divide it into 2 portions. With one portion of the dough, I'm going to make the biscuits by deep frying them, and with the other portion, I'm going to bake them by keeping them inside the oven. Now let's start rolling the dough into a large thick circle. Using a sharp knife, trim the uneven edges. Cut them into long horizontal stripes and then make vertical stripes so that we get the diamond cuts. Separate each cut piece and place them on a plate for deep frying. The pieces has to be this thick so the Shakarpara will have a nice flaky texture. Heat the oil for deep frying. I'm going to drop a small piece of the dough into the hot oil. If it sizzles and comes to the surface of the oil, then it is ready for deep frying. Reduce the flame to medium and place the pieces carefully into the hot oil. If the flame is kept too low, the Shakarpara will absorb excess of oil. If the oil is very hot, it turns brown from outside, but it will still remain uncooked. So cook them on a medium flame. You can see they have attained a golden brown shade and the sizzling of oil has also stopped. We can now remove them and place them on an absorbent paper. I have rolled the rest of the dough and cut them into pieces. I'm going to place them on a baking tray. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake this for about 10 minutes. Once they are cooled completely, they turn very crispy. The crispy and crunchy Shakarpara using wheat flour is a healthy evening snack. Try this recipe at home and enjoy it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching the video.